Hello guys, this is Saad and welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be telling you how to fix this error you aren't connected to any networks on the Windows 11. So let's begin. First of all you'll have to check if this is a Windows problem or a network card problem. To do so just go to the CMD, you'll have to go to your search and type in CMD in the search bar and click on the first option which says command prompt. Over here you'll have to type in ping and then a space 127.1.1.1 and then click on enter on your keyboard. So if you receive a message which says reply or a similar message like this, which means this is a Windows problem and not a network card problem and your network card is working properly. So now let's get back to the fix. So for the first fix you'll have to go to the search bar and then you'll have to type in control panel over here. Now you'll have to open control panel and over here you'll have to click on internet options over here. If you can't find internet options, what you can do is that you can just search it over here, internet options in the search bar on the top right. Now you'll have to click on internet options and then you'll have to click on advanced over here. So you'll see this option over here which says restore advanced settings. You'll have to just click on it. And after clicking on it you'll have to just click on reset below it. So as for me I don't have the reset option below it, so it's okay, you can just click on apply and then click on OK. So it's not 100% that this would fix your problem, but I'm going to show you more fixes that should fix your problem. So let's go to the second fix now. So for the second fix you'll have to again go to the search bar, start, and over here you'll have to type in run. Now you'll have to click on the first option. Now in run you'll have to type in services.msc and then you'll have to click on OK. Now over here you'll have to find the service which is called Violin Auto Config. So when you scroll down you'll have to go to the W option and you'll see this option over here which says Violin Auto Config. So if this is not running for you, you'll have to make sure it is running, so you can just right click on it and then you can go to the properties, or you can just click start from here over here. And so for me it is already running, so if it's running for you you can leave it running, and not running for you, you can make sure, you'll have to make sure it's running for you. So you'll have to just click on the start option over here. And for the third fix now, so you'll have to again go to the search bar and you'll have to type in control panel over here again and just hit on enter on your keyboard. Over here you'll have to type in network connections and then you'll have to click on this option over here which says view network connections on the first option, and you'll have to type in network connection in the search bar. And over here as you can see my Wi-Fi is disabled. Now to enable it you'll have to right click on it and then click on enable. So as you can see my Wi-Fi is working now and it should be enabled. Okay, so for the next fix what you'll have to do is that you'll have to just go to the Windows search bar and over here you'll have to type in device manager. And now over here you'll have to click on the small arrow beside network adapters, and over here you'll see this option which says wireless Intel, but for you it could also be some other brand, but you'll have to make sure it says wireless and wireless, or it could also say network adapter. So basically you'll have to click on your network adapter or your wireless network connection. You'll have to right click on it and then you'll have to click on update driver, and over here you'll have to click on search automatically for drivers, and if it's already installed, the best drivers are installed for you, you can close this. What you can do is that you can just go to the properties, you can over here just uninstall the driver. You'll have to click on drivers over here on the top, then you'll have to click on uninstall device. Now you'll have to click on uninstall and wait for it. So over here now you'll have to click on this blue icon over here which says scan for hardware changes, and now you'll have to just close this and now restart the computer. So if that didn't work for you too, what you can do is that now you can go to your settings. So you can just search settings over here, or for me I have it over here but I'll just search it over here, And now you'll have to click on the third option over here which says network and internet, and now you'll have to click on the advanced network settings. So over here you can see this option which says network reset. You can click on it, and now this will just reset all the network settings and bring it to factory mode. You'll have to click on the reset now button and then click on yes. This will just bring the original settings for the network. So now you'll have to restart your PC and they should fix your problem. So for the next fix, what you'll have to do is that you'll have to again go to the search option over here, and now you'll have to type in CMD, and now you'll have to run it as administrator. You'll see this option over here which says run as administrator. Just click on it, and there'll be a prompt which will ask you if you want to allow this app to make changes. You'll have to click on yes, and now you'll have to type in NETSH WIN. You'll have to give a space after NETSH and then WIN SOCK, and now you'll have to give again another space over here, and then you'll have to click on RESET. You'll have to type in reset, and then you'll have to hit enter on your keyboard. So you'll have to restart after this command, but I'll give you another command which should fix your problem. So the next one is a slightly a longer one. So you'll have to type in NETSH and a space, and now you'll have to type in INT space IP space RESET reset space, and then reset again, no space, log.txt. So you'll have to just type this in, and then you'll have to click on enter on your keyboard. So as you can see, your network settings has been reset, and now you'll have to just click on restart, and you'll have to restart your PC or your laptop, and your problem should be solved. So these fixes should fix your problem, but if they still didn't fix your problem, I'm gonna show you a last fix. So the last fix is just go to the search bar and type in run over there, and you'll have to click on the first option over here, and now you'll have to type in msconfig msconfig, and then click on enter. So as you can see, this system configuration has opened. So now you'll have to click on services over here, and then now you'll have to click on enable all, and then you'll have to click on OK over here. So now you'll have to click on restart, and now your PC or laptop would restart, your Windows 11 would restart. And I'm not restarting now because I'm creating a video, but I hope this video would have helped you, and for more similar videos like this you can subscribe to my channel. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, peace out.